Alright, been having issues with my clutch. Bike was slipping, so I went to change the clutch. And as soon as I got done, I didn't adjust the pin in the middle. So as soon as I got done, I didn't adjust the pin in the middle. Adjusted the handle in the other side from the outside, but I didn't know about the pin on the inside. Went to put it in first gear, the bike would jump and shut off. So took it to a shop. They tried something, wouldn't work. So he threw it back to me. He said he only work on Harleys. He said take this and don't bring it back. But the issue I'm having now is it looks like the basket has a little bit of movement. If y'all can see that. So it's got a little bit of movement and it won't move in neutral. I've seen a lot of videos where other guys were moving in neutral. I don't know if this is normal play, but it seems like this ain't spinning in neutral. So I don't know. I know there is a lot of crud in there or bad oil. I don't see metal in here. But there is a sludge, so oil will be changed and I'm gonna brake clean all of that out. But need a little advice. If the bike is jumping forward and shutting off, almost like it's like there is no clutch. I hold the clutch in, put it in first, it'll jump and shut off. So looking for some insight.